Okay, welcome back. This one is going to be a Mercedes GLC in white with just a general wash, quick seal with Optimum Opti-Seal, using that as a drying aid as well. And then engine bay clean and probably address again with Optimum Opti-Seal on the plastics in there. And then a quick look at the wheels, which have been protected last time with Armorall wheel shield. And I want to see what the performance of that's like. So these haven't been cleaned since then, probably covered a couple of 100 miles. It'd be very interesting to see how that performed because it was incredibly easy to apply. So let's see what it lives up to. Right then, let's go off to that car. Alright, so first up we're looking at the wheel before I clean it. Now, the brake dust seems to have like a different behaviour because it's been coated in this Armorall wheel shield. It looks like it's sitting on the surface rather than ingrained, and it looks like it's almost beading on the top rather than like bonded to it. Inside the wheel rim, where I haven't really applied it that much, it looks like you would normally see. So what I'm going to do now is give it a blast off with the pressure washer. I'm going to move the camera back a bit for this bit, and we'll see how it cleans. I'm going to try and clean it this time just with normal soapy water that I would shampoo the rest of the car in, and see if we need to use any potent wheel cleaner. My thinking there was if it cleans well enough as is, then we're not going to need to use a potent wheel cleaner, and therefore we're less likely to strip off the protectant, and therefore it will last a bit longer. So let's see how we get on. Okay, so I've just added in the footage of the rear wheel being blasted off as well, and that's because the footage of the front wheel wasn't fantastic. So I thought, do it again, get a second view, and you can see it being blasted off more thoroughly from here as well. And there we go. I think that is a lot cleaner than it would normally be just off the pressure washer. What I've noticed is some stuff came off more easily and some stuff was tougher. And that makes me think a couple of layers of the application would give it a more uniform finish. But apart from that, that looks really good. So I'm now just going to wash up the rest of the wheels, just blasting off and using the wheel brush and yeah, Bilt Hamber auto wash. That is what I've got in the for the car wash shampoo today, and that's what I'm going to clean the wheels with now. No need to go in there with the auto wheel today by the looks of things. So that's a good thing. Well, let's have a Yep, I say with that in mind, that's been fine to clean. I wouldn't say I've had to put any extra effort in with the detailing brush, going over the faces or the easy detail brush going inside the rims. It looks to have performed and cleaned very easily. So yeah, thumbs up from me. The interesting thing now will be to come back and wash this next time in a couple of weeks and see how well it's fared from there. But so far, so good. So a thumbs up for Armorall wheel shield. Alright then, engine bay. So what we're going to do first is get all the loose leaves and stuff out of this, give it a quick spray over, don't want to get too much water in here, so spray over on light pressure, and then a really good soaking with APC. It's going to be Bilt Hamber Surfex HD, cut 10:1, as per usual. Good scrub over with the brush, and then a blast off. Let's get to it. As you're about to see here, I do all this lovely cleaning, quick blast off, and then it skips to me rinsing it off because the camera failed on me. So you didn't see me doing all the scrubbing, but later on when I'm dressing it, you'll see the afters, so you get to see the finish I had. And now, over to cleaning the car. So this will be in time lapse, and it's just going to be a case of a general wash with snow foam, Bilt Hamber Auto Foam, and then we're going to go over it with Bilt Hamber Auto Wash as the shampoo, dried with a microfiber towel, and using Optimum Opti-Seal sprayed on the panels as a drying aid.